Hey Carsten, where are we going today? We're going jumping? Where at? Monkey Joe's? We are going to Monkey Joe's to go jumping.
What is Monkey Joe's?
Monkey Joe's. Let's go. Come on. Go open the door, buddy. Come on. Come on, buddy. Let's go. You gotta get signed in. Welcome to Carsten's Adventure Channel. What is that? Is that a Jeep? You gonna drive the Jeep? We have to get some tickets, buddy, to drive the Jeep. Wanna go to the bouncy house? Oh, that's a Batman. Robin. I see Batman. Carsten, what is that? Is that Batman?
He got Joker.
That's Joker. You got Batman on your shirt, buddy. Hey, Carsten, you want to go jump in the houses real quick? Are you jumping? That was a big one. You want that one? Carsten! Woo! Are you jumping? What's over there? Going on the slide? Here it comes. Carsten, I'm back in here, buddy. Where's Carsten? Batman! Whoa! Let me see you. Wrap it to your face, buddy. Did you hit yourself? Which one are you going down? That one? Here's Carsten. Okay. Let's go that one. Need any help? Go ahead, buddy. Which way you going, buddy? Whoa. Oh. Go for it. You want help? You got it. Go ahead. Pull yourself up. Go ahead. Slide down. Slide down, buddy. Woo! Whoa! That's a big one. Go ahead. That's a big one. Go ahead. Go ahead, buddy. Climb up the big old ladder. Go ahead. Go ahead. got it. Go ahead. Go ahead, Carsten. Whoa! You gotta hold on to the sides. Good job, buddy. Come on, Carsten. Was that fun? Carsten, was that fun? That was fun. Whoa. Oh, that one. Okay. Try that one. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Watch it. We'll come back and play with the toys after we're done bouncing. It's a big old monkey. Big old monkey Joe. Hey, there's a step stool right here. Here, look, right here. Step on here.
No, not me.
You step on there. There you go. Go ahead, buddy. Wait for Daddy. Wait for Daddy. Whoa!
No, Daddy.
Can you make it up there? Comes Daddy. Watch out, Carsten. Watch out, buddy. Watch out. I gotta come down. Watch out. Scoot over. Watch out, buddy. You gotta move over. I can't. You're in the way. Carsten, watch out. Scoot over there. Over there. I can't. Watch out, Carsten. I'm too big. Whoa! Monkey? Monkey. Whoa! What is that? A big green grass area. Woo! Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. That's a slide. You have to go up the slide. Whoa! Slippery. It's a big old monkey. I see monkey! Monkey! Giraffe. Alright, buddy. Whoa. Up the slide we go. Woo! Where's Carsten? Where's Carsten? There he is. All right. I see you. Hey, Batman. Whoa. 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 It's so slippery. Whoa. There he is. No, wrong way. Go up the stairs. All right, buddy. Go up the stairs. Go ahead. Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. I see Carsten. Come on. I can't. I'm too big. Whoa! Crazy Carsten. You're crazy. We'll find some more. You're welcome. buddy. Mountain house. And we go. 1, 2, 3. Whoa. Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. Whoa. Ow! Carsten, which one are you gonna do? There's Carsten. Peekaboo. Let's play hide and seek. Play hide and seek. Wow. You're gonna hide? You go hide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not? I found you. I found you. Okay, Daddy will hide. Daddy will hide. You found me. Batman, you found me. This one's super big. Where'd Carsten? There he went. Carsten! Where's Carsten? I found him! Go up the slide, buddy. There we go. Good job. Yeah, we're climbing up the stairs. Pay attention. Hold on. I can't. Come on down. Come on, Carsten. Whoa! Are you okay? Put your hand. You're okay. You okay? What'd you get to drink, buddy? Carsten, what are you drinking? Some juice? Taking a break? Are you having fun? Carsten, look at Daddy. Are you having fun? You are? What you drinking? Juice? Okay, put the coins in there. Put the coins in there. Put 2 coins in there. No, other one. Up top, right here.
That one.
Right here. Carsten, don't go there. They go in here, right there. It takes 2. Drive the car. Whoa. That's a super fast car, buddy. Drive it. Carsten, are you driving that car? Turn the wheel. You're pushing the gas. Oh no, you're bailing. He's bailing. Do that one? Okay. There you go. Up top here. Up top, buddy. There you go, put 2 in. Whoa! Look at that big old Jeep, Carsten. Driving a Jeep. Hey, Carsten! Man, look at that Jeep! Woo! Carsten, look. Let me see. What did you get?
Joker.
That's the Joker? Let me see. Wow.
Hey, Daddy.
Who is that guy?
No.
I'm not sure who this is, but it's a carrot top head.
Say couple.
He has orange hair. I'm gonna get you.
Yeah.
Who's this one? That's the Riddler. I'm the Riddler. We're bad guys. We're two bad guys.
Hey, Dad.
Yeah?
Hey.
What's that? That's a Riddler.
Hey.
Oh, bad guy. You having fun, buddy? What is that lizard trying to get? Keep hitting the button. That's his tongue. Almost. All right. Got it. Got it. Get some tickets. How many tickets you get? 1, 2, 3, 4 tickets. What do you want to do next? This one? I don't know if I can do it. You want to do Batman? Carsten, let's do the Batman. There you go. Batman. Hey, put the coins in there. Here. Show one. Other one. There's one more coin. Hit the green button. The green button. Oh, you're Batman inside of a Batman thing. I see Robin. I think you hit the buttons. Hit the buttons, Carsten. Hit that red button. Mash that red button. All right. Carsten, are you in the Batmobile or the Batcave? If you like this video, give us a like below and also subscribe to our page. Thanks so much.